Elon Musk, the second richest person in the world, said on Twitter that he lives in a $50,000 rented house. He is said to live in the panel house of residential startup boxabl. The billionaire appears to have kept his no-home promise last May. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to dig deep into the fact that Elon Musk, the second richest man, is living in a fabricated house, which is also known as a foldable house. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep yourself updated with such kind of information. Okay, so as you have subscribed, let's begin by getting straight into this video. After pledging to sell almost everything he owned last year, including 6 luxury homes in California, billionaire Tesla CEO settled in a studio-sized studio. This is what it looks like inside and out. Elon Musk is working on a transportation revolution both on Earth through electric car maker Tesla and space through rocket maker SpaceX. He owns 21% of Tesla but has pledged more than half of his shares as collateral for loans. Forbes cut its stock to account for credit. He stepped down as chairman in 2018 after allegedly making false statements about plans to turn Tesla into a private agency, sparking an SEC investigation. SpaceX, Musk's rocket company, is worth $74 billion since its last funding round in February 2021. He grew up in South Africa and then immigrated to Canada at the age of 17. He ended up in the United States as a transfer student in the University of Pennsylvania. If you are looking for the third richest person in the world, you will not find him among the billionaires. After Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk sold most of his real estate last year and moved to Texas, he announced in early June that he now owns only one house in the Bay Area, and his primary residence is a small box, the house he allegedly rented from his rocket company SpaceX. This 400 square meter home is located in Boca Chica, Texas, where SpaceX manufactures its starships. Musk, who according to Forbes has a net worth of $169.8 billion, rented a foldable prefabricated home from boxabl, a startup. The house that Musk tweeted sells for about $50,000, much like a small studio apartment, a large space divided into a living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. Unlike many other billionaires who own luxury homes, Musk lives in a 20 by 20 foot unit that is easy to transport. It's kind of awesome though, Musk said on Twitter last month. The 50-year-old tycoon first announced plans to sell all of his homes and most of his properties last year in response to criticism of his immense fortune, which the sale of 6 of his 7 properties, Musk has almost kept his word. Only house I own is the Events House in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would see less use, unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday, Musk said on Twitter last month. A few days later, he confirmed he put it up for sale, deciding to sell my last remaining house. Just needs to go to a large family who will live there. It's a special place. This 47-acre property is located in Hillsborough, California, about halfway between San Francisco and Silicon Valley. Over a 100-year-old mansion is a 16,000 square meter house that has 9 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. This is the last property Musk owns. He launched it for $37.5 million after initially buying it for $23.4 million in 2017. Over the past year, Musk has landed his properties in Los Angeles, often at low profit margins, if any. He sold his first villa on Shallon Road in June 2020 for $29 million. He bought it for $17 million in 2012. In October, he sold the 2,700 square foot ranch-style home previously owned by actor Willy Wonka Gene Wilder for $7 million. Musk bought it for $6.75 million in 2013 on the condition that the house cannot be torn down or lose any of its soul. In December, Musk sold 4 properties to Bel Air for a total of $61.89 million. He originally spent nearly $55 million on this property and bought it between 2015 and 2019. Overall, Musk made a profit of $19.2 million from his 6 home sales last year. Musk's real estate demolition comes after a battle with the state of California. The billionaire criticized government restrictions on coronavirus operations at Tesla's Bay plant last year, leading to a lawsuit Tesla later dropped, and also said that the state took entrepreneurs for granted. In early December 2020, Musk confirmed his move to Texas, citing the fact that there were 2 of his biggest projects, a new Tesla plant and SpaceX facility. It remains unclear whether Musk is renting another home in Austin. It is also unknown if he will be living with his girlfriend, 32-year-old Singer Grimes, who lives in Austin, and their 10-month-old son, Ash A12. Musk has 5 other children with his first wife, Justin Wilson, but it's not clear where they live. 954 Samara Road, Los Angeles, sold December 22, 2020 for $29,719,000. Purchased September 30, 2016 for $24,250,000. 955 Samara Road, Los Angeles, sold December 22, 2020 for $4,443,000. Purchased July 10, 2015 for $4,300,000. 958 Samara Road, Los Angeles, sold December 22, 2020 for $6,774,500. Purchased January 15, 2019 for $6,400,000. 10947 Shallon Road, Los Angeles, sold December 21, 2020 for $20,948,500. Purchased July 28, 2015 for $20 million. 10930 Shallon Road, Los Angeles, sold October 8, 2020 for $7 million. Purchased in October 24, 2013 for $6,750,000. SpaceX operates a launch facility in the small South Texas town and refers to it as Starbase. On Thursday, Musk, who weighs about $160 billion, gave a glimpse of his housing situation in Texas. "I do live in a $50,000 house, but not this specific one," Musk said in response to a tweet showing a prefabricated home from Boxabl. Let's talk about Elon Musk's early life and what are his achievements. Elon Musk is a South African conceived American business person and financial specialist who established X.com in 1999, which later became PayPal, SpaceX in 2002, and Tesla Motors in 2003. Musk turned into a multimillionaire in his late 20s when he sold his new business, Zip2, to a division of Compaq Computers. Let's have a look at his companies. Zip2 Corporation. Musk dispatched his first organization, Zip2 Corporation, in 1995 with his sibling Kimball Musk. An online city guide, Zip2 was before long giving substance to news sites of both the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune. In 1999, a division of Compaq Computer Corporation purchased Zip2 for $307 million in real money and $34 million in investment opportunities. PayPal in 1999, Elon and Kimball Musk utilized the cash from their offer of Zip2 to establish X.com, an online monetary administration/installments organization. X.com securing the next year prompted the production of PayPal as it is known today. In October 2002, Musk procured his initial billion when PayPal was obtained by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock. Prior to the deal, Musk claimed 11% of PayPal stock. SpaceX. Musk established his third organization, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or SpaceX, in 2002, determined to assemble space apparatus for business space travel. By 2008, SpaceX was grounded, and NASA granted the organization the agreement to deal with load transport for the International Space Station, with plans for Space Explorer transport later on, and transition to supplant NASA's own space transport missions. On May 22, 2012, Musk and SpaceX impacted the world forever when the organization dispatched its Falcon 9 rocket into space with an automated container. The vehicle was shipped off the International Space Station with 1,000 pounds of provisions for the space travelers positioned there, denoting the first run through a privately owned business that had sent a shuttle to the International Space Station. Of the dispatch, Musk was cited as saying, "I feel fortunate. As far as we might be concerned, it resembles winning the Super Bowl." In December 2013, a Falcon 9 effectively conveyed a satellite to a geosynchronous exchange circle, a distance at which the satellite would secure in an orbital way that coordinated with the Earth's pivot. In February 2015, SpaceX dispatched another Falcon 9 fitted with the Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite, planning to notice the outrageous outflows from the sun that influence power matrices and interchange frameworks on Earth. In March 2017, SpaceX saw the fruitful practice run and arrival of a Falcon 9 rocket produced using reusable parts, an advancement that opened the entryway for more moderate space travel. Musk is a man of innovations and inventions, and the list of his achievements is long, but we were just giving you an idea of his mindset and finances. If he wants to live in a big castle or mansion, without any doubt, he can. But he is different from other entrepreneurs, and it is obvious from his actions. So I think by living in a small, foldable, and prefabricated house, he is listening to his heart and breaking stereotypes of living in a mansion if you are rich. And absolutely, he does whatever he likes and prefers. Comment section is open for you guys to put your thoughts about this video. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Signing off.